Hello, and welcome to this brief presentation on the resources you can find when you come to the R.T. Williams Library on the Bethany campus. You can locate the library at 4115 North College Avenue in Bethany, Oklahoma, 73008. First, we will cover what is on the first floor of the library, including the cafe, our computer space, study rooms, and circulation desk. Here's a list of the resources available to you on the first floor of the library. First is the circulation desk. The circulation desk is where you will go if you have any questions about the library resources. You will also come to the circulation desk when you are ready to check out materials. We will look at what materials you can check out on the next slide. Next is our computer station. You can log on to the computers using your SNU credentials. You also have access to the printers and scanner. The archives room is also located on the first floor. Here you can learn about the rich history of SNU, the city of Bethany, and the Nazarene Church. A favorite spot for students is the cafe, which serves delicious treats and Starbucks coffee. Across from the cafe is our Student Success Services office. We also have group study rooms on the first floor that do not require a reservation. If one is available, we encourage you and your fellow students to use it as long as you need. Finally, you will find the reference books on the first floor. These books that cannot be checked out include dictionaries, encyclopedias, biblical commentaries, and other reference materials. Here is a list of materials that you can check out from the SNU library. In parentheses, you can see how long you may check out each item. So calculators, laptops, laptop chargers, iPads, headphones, and DVD players can be checked out for 6 hours at a time. Dry erase markers, crayons, and colored pencils can be checked out for 3 hours at a time. Books and DVDs can be checked out for 2 weeks at a time, and reserved books vary. Reserved books are those books that your professor puts behind the circulation desk specifically for your class. The professor may want you to borrow these books for 3 hours, 1 day, 3 days, or 1 week. It is also important to note that in order to check out a laptop or iPad, you must sign a laptop iPad policy agreement. This agreement states that you understand the penalties for breaking or misplacing one of our laptops or iPads. Let's move on to the second floor of the library. This floor consists of our physical books, including curriculum books for K through 12, our classrooms, and study spaces. In order to utilize the classrooms for class meetings or study groups, you must make a reservation. There is a form that you can complete on the library website at library.snu.edu. One side of the second floor is designated as the whisper zone. This side is for quiet study, where you can talk to others, but in a whisper. The whisper zone also has single-person study carrels, where you can close yourself off from others in order to concentrate or, let's be honest, take a nap. The other side of the second floor, which is the same side that our classrooms are on, is the normal study zone. You may talk normally on this side. Like I said previously, the second floor also contains our physical library books, along with books that are appropriate for school-aged children. The curriculum section is often used by our education majors, but all are welcome to check out one of these books. Finally, the third floor of the library is the home of the religion offices, testing center, silent study room, and periodicals. Our religion classes often take place in the silent study room, but once classes are finished for the day, you are more than welcome to go and study in peace and quiet. I hope you found this presentation for the physical library helpful. If you have any questions about the library resources, please contact the SNU library. You can find us online at library.snu.edu. You can email us at lrcreference@mail.snu.edu. You can visit us at 4115 North College Avenue or call us at 405-491-6351. Thank you.